Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the cursor size on MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! If you're having a hard time working out when the cursor on your Mac screen moves or changes to an insertion point, crosshair, hand, or other shape, it's worth making it bigger. Making on the screen cursor bigger than the default size can be really helpful to users with visual impairments, but it can also be make things more fun if a child is using a computer for the first time. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to change your cursor size on your MacBook. It's very simple. So first of all, you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now you can go to accessibility. From accessibility, you can click on display. And you'll find there is an option display pointer and color filter. You can choose on, click on pointer. So here's where you can change or adjust your cursor size on your MacBook. If you want to make it bigger, you can just slide this to right. So your pointer or your cursor will be getting bigger like this. If you want to make it more smaller, you can just slide it to left. It's very simple, right? And here you can also change the pointer outline color and also the pointer fill color. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change the cursor size on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!